Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the zombie bitmojis. So first of all, you should have the bitmoji installed in your device. So let's search for zombie. So for now these 4 zombie bitmojis are there. So you can open them here and you can share it to your social networking sites. So they have 4 zombie bitmojis here. Okay, let's go back and let's open Snapchat. Let's take a picture. Now on the right side you can see the sticker button, tap there. Now search for zombie. Okay, we have many here. Snapchat is always having lots of bitmojis. Okay, the original one. Okay, you are so tired that you are feeling like a zombie. Okay, can pass. Okay, I am dead. Okay, too much work, I am dead. Can pass for a zombie. Okay, zombie escape. I am here. Okay, let's go back to Instagram. Okay, let's discard it. Okay, let's go to story. Let's take a picture. Now on the top you can see the text button, tap there. Okay, you need to have a Gboard as your keyboard. So as you can see I am using Gboard. Tap on the bitmoji sticker. Okay, so let's search for zombie and we have this 4 zombie sticker here. If you want to change the sticker you can always drag and drop in the delete box below. Let's try another one. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise you can get the zombie bitmoji stickers. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.